hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful long red tassel mirror earrings. They look so pretty on Indian outfits, so without wasting any time, let's get started into the video. Take a thick sheet and glue a round shaped mirror over it. Apply some glue and stick gold stone chain around it. Over here I am adding another layer of stone chain. If you want a bigger earring, add more layers of stone chain. Let it dry and cut it out. Let's put this aside. Now take a red color silk thread and wrap around a small cardboard for about 150 times. Cut in the center. Do check out my other videos in my channel. I'm gonna link few of them in the description box and few you can find them in the end screen. Take a same color thread and tie few knots around it. Also apply some glue to make it strong. Now cut out some part of the tassel and glue it together. Take a tassel cap and few pins. Insert the pin into the tassel cap this way. Using glue, stick them together. This is how it looks. Now start trimming your tassel to the desired length. I like to make this longer, but if you want shorter one, you can cut more thread. Also similarly, attach a hook to the pin as well. Let's assemble all of them together. Using the plier, cut out the pins short. Apply some glue onto the base and attach the tassel and the hook in the center in the opposite direction. Now paste another paper over the base. Let it dry for some time, and this is how it looks. Lastly, finish it off by applying some gold colored nail paint. And that's it, you're done. Your beautiful red color tassel mirror earrings are ready to wear. They add so much beauty to your Indian outfits and also very easy to make. So do try out once. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel if you didn't and press that bell icon. Until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!